So you have the bottle of Blue Diamond that we prepared earlier, so you can actually spray around the fixtures if you want to. Never, ever, ever use your cleaning paste on granite or marble surfaces. It's great on 100% stainless steel or in the porcelain bathtub or on your tile in your shower. Fantastic places. So again, this is not a necessary step. It's only if you feel like you need it. Then we have already shown you how to clean a window, but I want you to see that the mirror also is a very simple process. And while you've wiped, you can just keep going. This also is a great little tool to use in the shower, but you can also use it here instead of the EnviroCloth. You can use this because you've got a little scrub power, and then you've got your cloth to wipe everything up that you just scrubbed off. So that also is good to use. And then I've wiped down the sink, and I'll finish by polishing up. Notice this, you don't really have to worry about if I am going all in one direction or if it's in circles or I did the top before I did the bottom. You're going to get a streak-free shine. I'm not leaving any streaking behind because I didn't leave a residue behind with a product. And that's how simple it can be to clean your bathroom.